Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
I am obsessed with these candles from Nancia. These flickering tea lights are so cute and so useful for so many different things. It comes in several different sizes, but I got the pack of 150 and they are awesome because you can use them in so many ways. I love them in the candle holder here. You see, they give off a lot of light. I love that you can use them on a bookshelf where you normally wouldn't put a candle, but you don't have to worry because they are flameless, they are battery operated, and I love that realistic flicker that they use. You can also get creative in where you put them around your house. I just think it's such a fun way to add some light and something dynamic to your home. I definitely can't get enough of these. They were awesome. They came with so many, so I can use them for a very long time and I just think they're great. They are so cute and useful.
I definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.